Hey you guys!
Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Chiq.
And I am Vincenza Marie.
And we're known as chiqblend. And today we are going to bring you a double unboxing. A Louis Vuitton double unboxing.
Okay, so you want to start with yours? We're going to start with Qui's first.
Okay, we'll start with mine first. So mine came in this nice, beautiful holiday packaging. Wait.
It's so pretty.
It's so big.
I love this bag though. So, okay, so my last bag, it was just plain. Is this like a different bag?
What do you mean it was plain?
It just had Louis Vuitton on it. It didn't have all of these,
oh, okay,
like symbols on it.
Because this is the holiday packaging. This is special packaging that you get for the holidays.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. Okay, so it came in this box. And I was actually on the wait list for this item. I want to say it took like 3 weeks for it to come in. I was supposed to get it for my birthday, but it didn't come in. So I ended up getting it later on with all of those gift cards from my birthday.
You racked up on those gift cards.
I racked up on gift cards. So let's see.
You guys, we got our dog here.
He's farting.
Oh my gosh, it stinks so bad.
I'm trying so hard to eat it, but I'm like, oh my goodness, he stinks so bad. Okay, so
he's actually really cute in person, but he look real old right now.
Oh my goodness.
So if you guys see us looking down, it's our dog. He will not leave us alone. So
and he stink.
Let me put him down. Go ahead.
Yeah, girl, you might want to put him down. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Oh man. Let's see. Or you know what? I need to put this down because this is too hard to get off holding up in the air.
It's super nice how they got it wrapped up.
Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna just flip that around. And then this is the dust bag.
I love it.
And that is what I got.
It's so cute.
Ain't it cute?
And dainty. I didn't think it would be. It's small, but it looked like it can hold a lot though.
You know what? We'll see what it could hold at a later date and time. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. And this is what I decided to get with my gift cards. Oh, look at that.
I want it. Would you be mad if I got that too,
Girl, you can have whatever I have, girl.
Okay. We always like twinning with everything.
Yes, with everything. Okay, yeah, so that is what I got. And then I'll do a review on this at a later date and time. What did you get?
I got the...
Let's see.
Girl, I got so much stuff, but we're just going to do these boots real quick. And you guys, I got so happy. I already opened my box. Like, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for the actual unboxing because I was super excited. I've been waiting for these for a long time. And they come in these boots, or this box, and on the box, I was just being real ratchet. I was doing my hair and oil sheen got all up in my box, so. But hey, what can I say?
But you have beautiful hair, that's all that matters.
Hey! Oh, sorry. Look, let me I should have did that. Oh well. Okay, and then each boot comes in its own duster bag. I'm so excited about these
Girl,
boots.
you should be. They're so cute.
Okay, and then I got the Louis Vuitton combat boots.
What's the official name? Do you know?
I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, we'll look them up.
They call real dope.
It's
really cute. So on the side, it has like the little gold clasp on it. And what I thought was super cool about these is that
turn closure.
It has a turn closure on it. So it can be the LV or it could just be the V. And it has the gold studs on the front and the side. I feel like you can
close up.
Okay. So this is what they look like.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay. So yeah.
Can I borrow them?
Yeah, you can borrow. You can't fit them. You don't wear the same size as I do.
I mean, they're a little too big, but you know, I could still pull it.
Okay. Well, that'll be a little big, but you can wear them. That's my boo. You can wear whatever you want.
Okay. What, you still talking? Go ahead.
Yeah, I feel like you can just wear these with anything. Like I wear this with all black. Even if you look plain from head to toe, once you hit these boots, it like makes your outfit. I feel like everybody should have these boots for the winter. So look into these. We're actually going to, should we just do a review on these? I think it'd be so nice.
We can do a review of your boots when I do a review of my bag.
Okay. All right, so this is what we got, both Louis Vuitton pieces. And we will see you guys later.
All right, thanks for tuning in and see you next time.
Bye.